Kasukra jila ka rai ban ailat biang itu kena ba Phiel ke kelas 9 bat 10 bakin Ialeh ke Matrik ke secondary school leaving certificate SSLC examination hapu aji peniat ke Mekraya Board of School Education MBOS kajing yalang ke kabinet ha khandu tarik ka lengkot aja penriu klasim ni ke rai ban plelat ye ke tu kena ba pep school no namar bagi Phiel ke kelas 9 ani ki ba Phiel ke kelas 10 namar kinu kinu ki daw si benta ban penduna bat ban weng ye kijing pep school gi kena ka sokra ka rai ban alat bagi tu gi bapil ha kelas 9 bat 10 kila ban nyele ye ke matrik ni SSLC bat kani kan tekam nadu lasem snem kidon kumba alak ngut ki kena gi bapil ye kelas 9 bat 10 ha kani ke sipo snem bladep bat kani ka rai ka sokra kan plelat ye ki ban yo yele ye ke matrik kajing temu bakong san jeng kesuka kalong ban plilat jadi kena bakin pas ke matrik hakaba kin light na gijing ha bagi kwa ban lej pentbit ha kanu kanu ke jai kam ne gijing kai namar ba gijing pas ke matrik kan long umau jam ki.
The fourth was also to do with education. We have decided to introduce a provision for admission and registration of private candidates for the secondary school leaving certificate examination under the Meghalaya Board of School Education. As you are aware, there are a large number of students who in the past could not clear the metric exam, and there are a large number also who end up dropping out post the upper primary when they enter the secondary level because of different factors. So we have realized that this large number, even though they desire to come back and give the exam again, they are not able to give it because of different provisions that restrict them from giving that particular exam. What we have decided in the cabinet today is to streamline and to ensure that we make it easy for any candidate who wishes to give the SSLC exam to pass class 10, even though he or she may have failed in the previous years, or for whatever reason could not continue with the schooling post class 8. We want to give that option to them, and this I'm sure will encourage many such youngsters who, for whatever circumstance, were not able to clear their metric exam. They would be looking forward to be given an opportunity to do that. And this particular provision today and this particular decision will allow those children to give that particular exam and clear the metric exam.